Hello YouTube. This is the TNT Catalog for 2012. This section, we're gonna begin now. This section is buy one get one free. Mini Monsters $2.99 and Fire Crackle $4.99. Purple Rain $5.99. Sizzler and American Spirit $21.99. Morning Glory $8.99. Mad Dog $14.99. Ale Red Devil $8.99. And for the $4.99, the Crazy Eyeballs $3.29. The Black Widow $4. And the Viva El Fútbol $4.99. The Orchard $3. The Piccolo Pete's $4.99. As in the bottom says, not available in all areas, which that sucks, but it's available here where I live. The Blast by TNT $2.99. Head to the last page. These fireworks are new for 2012. TNT. The Short and Scout, it looks like a teapot. $150. The Parfait Fountain, something like that, $6.99. The Little Miss, $4.99. The Stacks Up, $39.99. The Opening Show, $59.99. And the Independence Day, $19.99. The Beloved one, $19.99. Set to the middle pages. These are packs. These are firework bags. The first of our firework bags. Other ones are packets. The first one is promo pack bag. The second one is the Big Valley bag, $29.99. Oh yeah, the first one was $19.99. Second one is $29.99. Says the refill, well, I'm not gonna say the numbers. The family pack, $39.99. See, and the 49er, $49.99. Rip. And to continue, the All-American $79.99, and the Perfect Show $99.99, $100, and the Big is $150, and the Big Deluxe $199.99, $200, and which they always have and only a few people buy. Largest packet in the world of fireworks, the Big Bang. I don't know if you can hear, but there's fireworks outside. It's $500 for the Big Bang. And the Grand Finales, Star Voyager, $34.99. The Berlin, I don't know, just look at it. It's $49.99, 500 grams. And also the Star Voyager, $34.99, 500 grams also. That one's cheaper. Jumbo Purple Rain, $24.99. The Mold Pot, $19.99. Okay, and these are American Pride. That's like a raffle giveaway. So it's valued at $139.48. Okay, anyway, that is it for the catalog. See you next time, YouTube. By the way, go to Phantom. TNT is a ripoff. And